gigs RAM. So today I'm going to show you basically what I would put inside my custom build computer if I was ever to build a computer. First of all would be my motherboard, would be a Gigabyte GA-Z68XP UE5. This is an Intel motherboard, that basically means it works with Intel cores, and as you can see it's got lots of ports, including 10 USB ports, mini display, Ethernet and Firewire in this video. Next we go for the Ivy Bridge i7 3930K 3.2 gigahertz. Because it's an Ivy Bridge, because it's an i7, it can hyper-thread to 12 threads, which is a pretty cool processor. Of course, because it's a K model, it can be overclocked, so it doesn't really matter that it's currently a 3.2 gigahertz. CPU cooler, instead of using the stock Intel one, we've gone for a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Plus CPU cooler. Just a cheap, simple one I found on Newegg. I forgot to say that all of these prices are on Amazon.com when I last checked. The graphics card is a Gigabyte Radeon HD 7970. As you can see, it's got 3 fans in it, so it'll be perfect for overclocking basically. Gone for a total of 64 gigs of RAM, but because we have 4 16 gig sticks of Corsair Vengeance Blue RAM. Altogether, that's 4 sticks of RAM altogether. An SSD, we've gone for the Corsair Force SATA 6 GB per second, 120 gig SSD. We would just put the OS on this, as it would save, as an SSD is faster. Of course, 120 gigabytes is not that much, so we've gone for Seagate Barracuda 3TB hard drives as well. 7 of them. You heard me right, 7. So we're going to get 7 of these, altogether making 21 terabytes of storage. That is a lot of storage. For the case, well, this price is actually from Newegg, as Amazon don't have it. This is the Fractal Design Define R3, and I actually like the look of it. It's got 2 5.125 inch bays. It's got 8 hard drive bays, with 2.5 inch converters for SSDs. It's got 7 PCI cards, and I think it's got 6 or 7 fans as well. And it's a pretty cool case, and I like the look of it. Next, for the power supply, we've got power all of this, so we've gone for OCZ's ZX 1250 watt power, fully modular power supply. Well, modular means that, as you can see, you can take all the cables out, as you can see by the picture down here. Take the cables out, plug it in if you don't need all of them. And it's pretty cool, PSU. We need an optical drive to install the OS, so we've gone for the Asus internal OEM drive, the DR drive read write 24B first. Just a cheap one to knock in there. We're going to have a multi-SD card reader, because, well, I'm a YouTuber and I need to read videos from SD cards. So we've got the Rosewell RCR IC001 3.5 inch internal card reader. This will probably go in the second drive bay, 3.25 inch drive bay, as that one's got a converter to that size. The fans, there are a lot of these, probably 6 or 7 or 8, something like that, because there's that much space in the case. Gone for Scythe Slipstream case fan. There's about 6 of them, I think. PCI cards, so we've just gone for one, which is the Firewire 800 3-port PCI card. Altogether that makes 4 PCI cards, 4 Firewire card ports, as there's one on the motherboard, and also the 2 PCI slots are taken up by the graphics card, so that's 3 altogether. That's all I found for the PCI card. Peripherals, so we've got to plug some, it's got to be a way to use this computer. For a mouse we've gone for the Logitech Adrenaline MX, a nice wireless mouse that really fits your hand. I like Logitech's mice. For the keyboard we've gone for the Daz mechanical keyboard. I really like mechanical keyboards as I like the clicky noise for a desktop, so we've gone for one of these and I really like it. We've got to watch this stuff, so we've gone for 3 HP 27 inch LED monitors. 3 of them. For webcam we've gone for the Logitech HD Pro webcam C920. It's a nice webcam that does up to 720p video and it's just easy to use. For speakers we've gone for Logitech Surround Sound Z556. These look like they're pretty good, so it comes with a subwoofer. I probably put this one behind one screen, the middle screen, these 2 behind one screen, these 2 behind another screen. Pretty cool. Microphone, we've gone for the Blue Yeti Pro. Pretty awesome XLR microphone. I think it's XLR, but anyway, pretty cool microphone, does really good audio and I like it. Got to use some software with that hardware, so as you see I've got Adobe, Microsoft and Apple logos and some random pictures there. OS, we're not going for a Hackintosh as it's too confusing. So we've gone for Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit, the ultimate Windows 7. I don't like Windows 8, but I haven't had a proper play around on it yet, so you know. Gotta go for Microsoft Office Professional Plus because, well, it's the highest end Office 2010 and, well, it's just awesome. We've gone for Adobe CS6, probably the Master Collection, but I'm not really sure. Why? Because, well, as you know from some of my recent videos, I edit now with Premiere Pro. So, got to get Premiere somehow. And that's how. Of course you also get with it, you know, After Effects and Photoshop and all that, which is pretty cool. But what if you can't actually master Premiere Pro, and you need a simpler video editor? Well, we've chosen to check Video Studio Pro X5 on there. This is a video editor made by Corel. I used it for a while. I'm actually about to get my hands on another copy of it, and well, it's pretty simple, easy to use. I like it. I said that a lot. It's a good video editor. Of course, we need to edit audio as well, so we've gone for Audacity. Well, it's the only Windows audio editing software that I actually know of. And the best thing, it's free! If you get that Bedtime Stories reference. Yeah. Well, that's everything I'm going to check in this custom build. It's a great computer. I'm not actually going to build it yet. I want to build this when I'm 18, but it will probably be very expensive. Thanks for watching. Peace.